You can now add multilingual translations for any widget in Shareables. What this does is it lets you add a drop-down where you can pre-select which languages you wish to support for your widget, and users who view your widget can select them. So for example, I'm switching to Spanish and the information across the entire widget has translated. This uses the Google Translate API. And if I were to click through into the details page, each of the content types have also been translated as the translation gets passed across. This is really easy to set up. All you need to do is, in the widget editor, head over to the add-ons tab and then turn on auto translate. When auto translate is on, inside the settings, you can do a couple things. The first one is you can select the button style. So you can either have a symbol and the language and the flag, or just the flag, and lastly, just the language. You can change the label format if you want a short version or a full version. And then you can also set the languages that you want to display for your users to choose. So once those options have been added, you can head back over here and click to see how those options appear. Your users can also test them out in the preview as well as on the publish widget. Give it a go and see how it works.